What's up, guys? Man235 here. I am with the PS5 controller right here. I'm about to be unboxing it. Here goes how the box, the back of the box right here. And apparently it's only playable on PS5. Psych. We're about to try this on the PC right here pretty soon. And yeah, let's get. I attempted to open it earlier. I kind of failed. You guys can see that little rip right there. But anyways, I thought I needed a scissor or something. I need like something sharp to cut this tape open. No, I literally just use my thumb and my finger, and yeah, I just open the box easily like that. And there's another box over here. And take this out. Oh, it's kind of tight in there. Can I pull it out with the handle? Please, just come out. It is not coming out. Alright, I had to stop the camera right there because I needed two hands for this part. But here we go. We're about to open the box. This one has the controller in it for sure. It does not come with the USB-C charging cables. You have to buy your own, or I have a Nintendo Switch, right? So I have the Nintendo Pro controller, and you can, if you have the Nintendo Pro controller, you can use that same charger for this controller too. You don't need that stupid old safety booklet, whatever that is. Anyways, here's the controller itself. It's really clean looking. Okay. Look at this. Alright, first, hands on. And I was afraid of this. It feels fat on my hands. It feels like I'm holding an Xbox controller, to be honest. But the D-pad feels great. Holy, if you're playing platforming games or something like that, D-pad is really nice. Okay, we got some grips on the joysticks right here. Let me try claw real quick. It's comfortable on the left side, at least. Kinda. Dude, the analog stick feels really nice. Like, and you click it in two. Nice. The touchpad, of course. The share button. And this is to mute the microphone. So if you don't want people to hear, you can mute it. And there you go. There's a blue light right there. That's to mute. You can just push it back, push it. I don't know if it's muted right now, but let me check the back. Cool. The triggers feel comfortable, but feels weird at the same time. I don't know how to feel it. It feels nice on your hand. It's kind of like bulky. I was expecting to be like, it looks like a skinny controller, right? But no, it's actually pretty fat. Like, I don't know. It's kind of weird. Like, on the right side, it feels uncomfortable if you're trying to do a claw. But overall, it's comfortable in your hands. It's just really bulky. I'd say it's more comfortable than the... Actually, no. It's probably the same as the Xbox controller, to be honest. But it feels like I'm holding a PS4 controller for sure. Because of the analog. Alright, we got the Pro controller right here. Dude, I love this controller so much. Look how skinny it is. Like, it's just skinny, straight to the point. All the buttons are close to each other. Like, I just love it, bro. Look how comfortable it is just to claw. Like, everything's so close. Like, I love this controller so much. You guys have no idea. But let's go ahead and test out the PS5 controller on my PC. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm using the USB-C Nintendo Pro Controller wire right there. Or you can use any USB-C. But that's where it looks like when it's charging. It's like a breathing light of the orange light. As you guys can see, the PS5 controller is plugged in. And you can actually hear what's on your PC.
Testing the mic, testing the mic. PS5 mic, not PS4 mic. Testing. PS5 mic, PS5 mic. 1, 2, 3. Blue Yeti, not the Blue Yeti. Wireless headset microphone.
Alright, I'm about to hit X to start up Fortnite right here. I'm about to try Fortnite and Call of Duty and see how I feel about this controller. You guys already know, use support creator code Nishman2. Guys, this controller is bulky. Got Tilted Towers over here. Cool remake. I miss this spot so much. But I mean, it feels nice so far. Like, cause I don't know, it feels fat and skinny at the same time. Let me try my 90s. Dude, I don't think you could do claw with this controller. Like on the right side, it feels really weird. Bop 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 bop. Alright, so I've been playing with this controller for like 4 hours. I'm gonna go back to my Pro controller. I'm gonna end up returning the PS5 controller. Just because it's too bulky. Like, look how skinny this controller is, man. Like, after playing 4 hours of Call of Duty and Fortnite, and I'm holding the Pro controller, it feels so like back to comfort. Like, but if you're playing first-person shooters, if you're not playing claw, if you're just playing casually, this is a perfect controller. The thing I don't like about it is the triggers. It's so far apart from the shoulder buttons. Like, look how, like, you have to put extra effort to hit the shoulder button, like the trigger button from the shoulder button. With that, I'm gonna be in. I'll give this controller probably like 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. It just depends. Like me, I like to play claw. I like skinny controllers and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just go back to my Pro controller. I use a Pro controller on PC. But with that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button if you